Hi everyone, welcome back to SQ World. Today in this tutorial, we will explore the difference between REST and SOAP APIs. If you are into software development or API testing, this video is for you. We will cover what REST API and SOAP and the benefits. So let's begin. What is REST API? REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It is a architecture style for designing network applications. REST API allows system to communicate our HTTP using standard methods like get, post, put, and delete. They are lightweight. What is SOAP API? SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. Unlike REST, SOAP is a protocol with strict standards. It uses XML to send and receive messages over HTTP, SMTP, or other protocols. SOAP API are highly secure and offer built-in error handling, making them ideal for enterprise applications and complex operations. Benefits of REST API: lightweight and faster than SOAP, easy to use with JSON format, flexible and scalable, works well with the mobile and web apps, easy integration with cloud services. Benefits of SOAP API. The benefits of SOAP API: high security with WS security, built-in error handling in SOAP API, built-in error handling. This is the benefits of SOAP API. This is REST API example. Enter ID, name, and email with curly brackets. This is SOAP API example in which you need to enter ID, name, email. Now, practically, I will show you the REST API and SOAP API example. Open Postman. In previous tutorial, I explained in a detail about SOAP and REST API. You can watch this video. So click on this API, and this is the API for calculating two numbers, integer 1 and integer 2, and you will get the response in XML format. As I mentioned that in SOAP API you will get the response in XML format and you will get 200 response. Okay, in raw body section, this is the structure complete. You need to enter SOAP envelope, SOAP body, and then enter add. This API is used for adding two numbers. So here define integer A, integer B, and you will get response 200. Okay. And this is the REST API. In the REST API, you can view multiple method: post, get, put, and delete. This all the method, and this is the body, email, and password. In REST API, you need to enter data with curly brackets. So click on send and you will get response in multiple formats. This is the token. Getting this token in this login API 200. Okay, and here you can view we are getting response in JSON format, but you can view in HTML, XML. In REST API, multiple formats are available for view response. So you are getting 200 okay response code, and this is the time 1.20 second. This is the size, total response size. If you hover on response size, headers, body, request size, headers, and body. So that's the key difference between REST and SOAP API. REST is a great for lightweight and scalable app, while SOAP is perfect for secure and complex enterprise solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.